Oh, hi. Instead of playing Chubby Bunny, I'm gonna play Choosy Bunny. Because Chubby Bunny, you use marshmallows and you have to shove them in your mouth, and you still have to be able to say Chubby Bunny. But I'm gonna do it with Cheeto Puffs. Okay, I'm just gonna be keeping track of how many. Okay, 1. Chubby Bunny.
2.
Chubby Bunny. 3. Chubby Bunny.
4.
Chubby Bunny.
Okay, come on, 5.
5.
You're breaking them.
Chubby Bunny.
Ew. It's all over the camera. Okay, 6. Come on. You can do it. 2 more.
Chubby Bunny.
You're eating them. 7. I think.
Chubby Bunny.
8. Come on, 9.
Chubby Bunny.
Come on, 9.
9. Chubby Bunny.
I think that's all you can hold.
10.
Ew. Nasty.
Chubby Bunny.
It's all over me. Ew. Okay, you're done. You're done.
11. Chubby Bunny.
You can't fit no more. You're eating them. Okay, that was Chubby Bunny. Okay, well, bye, because she's spraying the at me.